Nouns and pronouns. Nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. Here are some examples: person, man, woman, teacher, John, Mary, etc. Place, home, office, town, countryside, America, etc. Thing, table, car, banana, money, music, love, dog, monkey, etc. Idea, justice, fairness, equality, worship, compassion, knowledge, panic, hope, love, and time. So, a noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or an idea. Whatever exists, we assume can be named, and that name is a noun. Types of nouns. We have different types of nouns in English: common nouns, proper nouns, concrete nouns, abstract nouns, collective nouns, countable nouns, uncountable nouns. Common noun. A common noun is not the name of a particular person, place, thing, or idea. Common nouns are not capitalized. Common nouns are names which are general in nature, not specific or unique names. They can be names of people: man, woman, child, boy, girl. Names of animals: dog, cat, elephant, not Rex, Brownie, or Jumbo. Names of places: city, village, river, mountain, country, not Colombo, River Indus, or Mount Everest. Names of things: soap, apple, chair, airplane, golden delicious, Nilkamal, or Boeing. The first letter of a common noun is not capitalized, except if it is the first word in a sentence. We bought 6 chairs. Chairs are expensive. Proper nouns. A proper noun is a noun that is the name of a particular person, place, thing, idea, or object. Proper nouns are always capitalized. Joseph, New York City, Empire State Building. We use our senses to recognize human beings, animals, material things that are things which occupy space. We call such things concrete. The names of such things are called concrete nouns in grammar. A concrete noun is classified by its ability to reach the senses. If you can taste, touch, hear, smell, or see an item, the word is a concrete noun. Examples of concrete noun are water, air, pizza, bread, juice, fish, perfume, cake, car, music, etc. Abstract nouns. An abstract noun is something you can't see, hear, touch, or taste. These can be emotions, happiness, grief, or states: peace, quiet. Abstract nouns are names of things we cannot grasp, recognize with any of our 5 senses. We can grasp such things only with our mind. Justice, honesty, presidency, ministry, childhood, happiness, intelligence, etc. Collective nouns. Collective nouns are names of collections. They are not the names of individuals in a collection. The collection may be of people, crowd, orchestra, animals, or other living things: herd, swarm, places, union, federation, or things: bunch, pile. The words in italics in the above phrases are collective nouns. Examples: a crowd, a range of mountains, a deck of cards, a pile of books, an anthology of poems, a bunch of grapes, a pack of fools, a network of computers. Countable nouns. These nouns are names of people, places, things that we can count. If you put the numerals 1, 2, 3, etc. before these nouns, they sound normal to people who know English well. For example, 1 book, 2 villages, 7 dwarfs, 12 apostles. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns, sometimes also called non-count nouns. These cannot be counted. Example, milk, water, furniture, gold, wood, glass, information. We cannot say 2 waters, 3 milks, or 5 furnitures. That would be wrong. We can say 2 glasses of water, 3 cups of milk, 4 logs of food, 5 pieces of information, etc. The words glasses, cups, logs, pieces are countable. Pronouns. A pronoun is a word that substitutes a noun or noun phrase. There are different kinds of pronouns in English. Kinds of pronouns. Demonstrative pronoun. This, that, these, those. Personal pronoun. I, you, he, she, etc. Possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, his, etc. Reflexive pronoun. Myself, yourself, etc. Interrogative pronoun. Who, what, where, etc. Negative pronoun. Nothing, no, nobody, etc. Reciprocal pronoun. Each, other, etc. Demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those, none, neither are demonstrative pronouns that substitute nouns when the nouns they replace can be understood from the context. They also indicate whether they are replacing singular or plural words and give the location of the object. This is unbelievable. In this example, this can refer to an object or situation close in space or in time to the speaker. That is unbelievable. In this example, that can refer to an object or situation farther in space or in time to the speaker. These are unbelievable. In this example, these can refer to some objects close in space or in time to the speaker. Those are unbelievable. In this example, those can refer to some objects farther in space or in time to the speaker. Personal pronouns. A pronoun that refers to a particular person, group, or thing. These are the personal pronouns in English. I, me, my, mine, we, us, our, ours, you, your, yours, he, she, it, him, her, his, hers, its, they, them, their, theirs. Possessive pronouns. A pronoun that can take the place of a noun phrase to show ownership, as in, the phone is mine. The weak possessives are my, your, his, her, its, ours, and their. In contrast, the strong or absolute possessive pronouns stand on their own. Mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Examples. That book is mine. This book is yours. Reflexive pronouns. Pronoun that ends in self or selves, used as an object to refer to a previously named noun or pronoun in a sentence. The reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Examples. You and Bob have deceived yourselves. One must have faith in oneself. I made coffee for Helen and myself after dinner. Interrogative pronouns. It introduces a question, The 5 interrogative pronouns in English are who, whom, whose, which, and what. Examples: which color do you prefer? Who are you? To whom did you give the note? Negative pronouns. A negative pronoun refers to a negative noun phrase. No one, nobody, neither, none, and nothing are the negative pronouns used in English. Examples: neither of the students was there. No one came forward to take the offer. Nobody is associated with this project. None is there. Reciprocal pronouns. A pronoun that expresses mutual action or relationship. In English, the reciprocal pronouns are each other and one another. Examples: they gave gifts to each other. Why do you question each other? That can't talk to each other. The sisters were hugging one another.